Hi, welcome to the girly pop. This is my best friend. Can't see her face because she's not allowed to. But today we're gonna be unboxing slime. And I got the lighter, so it's glossy slime mixed with clear slime, but you can't see because it's dyed.
Slime activator, whatever, and little charms.
And then a tray and like a diaper. Ice cream. Okay, let's open it. Don't. You could.
Wait, I want to touch it.
But don't mix it. But it has activate. So
it smells weird.
It's a bit sticky. So
I'm gonna add some.
Add one.
Wait, I want to just. Okay, how much do we add?
One. Let's go. Okay, so let's twist.
I want to mix them.
No, we just want to twist the colors. Okay, you go try it. Good. Twist. And then
sticky. What is that?
An ice to put on top. It's clay. Don't squish it. Don't squish it.
Oh, that's actually so cool.
So then we're gonna put this on top
with a cherry on top,
and then this on.
He's gonna eat it.
Side.
It's the leading power of whatever that's called.
Let's take this out. So now time for the ASMR part. Ready? You get this side, I get this side. Ready?
That feels so
weird. Jinx.
Under. Double jinx.
Triple jinx.
Blackout. Yo,
Could you?
soda.
Oh god. And now it's sticky because it has to have the clay in it. Oh gosh. This is a piece with the clay.
Oh my god.
And it actually feels so good. Okay. Do you need
I think I need
try a piece of that. Okay, now this is a regular glossy slime. It's kind of sticky. And this is the one with clay. I feel like the one with clay is really nice.
Wow.
Okay, now let's add all of them together.
Wait. Give her mine. I'm gonna put a piece.
Okay.
It feels so good.
It feels so good. And by the way, guys, we got this does it have a slime baby? And it's really nice. We got it for free though because at the library in Riverside, it's a white library and it's amazing. So you guys could go there. It is annual.
Do you know that there's like 1 million libraries in Riverside? I mean, not 1 million, but a lot.
Just test some out. But they give this one at free and libraries for the fun. But yeah, this is called Slime Force. I recommend trying there. The link right here. Try it. Okay, now let's hear some ASMR, so quiet. Okay, you have that. You have to go like that for ASMR. Now you have to go closer so you can hear you. Do that. You have to go closer like this.
You said closer.
Quiet.
There's slime in between. There's slime in between.
Your teeth?
Not my teeth, girl.
The choice of having a best friend.
The baby wants to supervise us.
No, I think you say should supervise you.
Of course she needs a supervisor.
Look at, I cut it flat and then it's with.
Well, I want to try. Give me some.
Activate it.
Give me some.
And then you rub it and it feels so nice.
That feels so good.
And this slime is so nice. It's like butter.
What?
It almost got me. It's like butter slime. With less clay.
Like that.
Thank you guys for watching with me and my best friend, the girly pop. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.